To start customizing your Shopify store's layout, first navigate to the Edit Code section in your admin dashboard and click on the Customize Theme button. This opens up the visual editor where you can personalize your store's design. Once inside, click on the Add Section option and from the list of available sections, select a component like RI Feature Collection 4 or any other section that fits your layout needs. This section allows you to showcase a curated set of products in a visually appealing way, perfect for promoting featured collections. Inside the section, begin by adding a product title. This is the main label that will be displayed above your product group. You can then upload or select an image to visually represent the collection, giving your section a more branded and styled appearance. Once the image is set, select the individual products you want to highlight. You have the flexibility to include multiple items and reorder them as needed. It's also possible to control how these selected products appear on mobile devices, ensuring everything is responsive and looks perfect regardless of screen size. From there, you can enter a section heading, which often works as a main message or call-out title. You can choose a custom font family for this heading to match your brand's style guide and precisely adjust the heading size for both desktop and mobile views. Additionally, you can set the text alignment for the heading to the left, right, or center depending on your design preference. The section heading serves as a key visual anchor, so taking the time to fine-tune its typography and positioning is important for overall impact. Next, explore the tab title settings. You can define how large the tab titles should appear and then tweak the line height to improve readability and consistency. For mobile devices, you have specific controls to adjust the vertical padding of the tab titles, making sure that spacing feels balanced even on smaller screens. The tab titles can also have rounded corners by adjusting the border radius, and you can control how thick the tab title borders appear. There's even an option to set a margin top specifically for mobile view, giving you precise control over spacing. To maintain layout clarity, you can manage the gap between each tab title and choose whether tab labels should align left, right, or center within their row. These adjustments are helpful for aligning navigation or category filters that use tabs within the collection section. Tab styling plays a crucial role in how users interact with grouped products or categories, so using consistent spacing and alignment ensures a more intuitive browsing experience. When it comes to the product grid, you can decide how many products appear per row when viewed on a desktop. This is especially useful for maintaining a clean and organized look. You can also adjust the spacing or gap between each product card to create visual breathing room. Each product card's internal padding can be adjusted both vertically and horizontally, and mobile-specific values are available to ensure a responsive experience. The shape of the product card itself can be customized by adjusting its border radius and thickness, giving you options between square, rounded, or softly curved corners. Next, you can customize the appearance of product images by controlling the image size and applying a border radius to change the image shape. Alongside this, you can set a font family for all the text elements displayed within the section to match your brand identity. The size and line height of the product vendor text can be individually adjusted to ensure that all typography looks well balanced and legible. You can also configure the product title by choosing its font size and line height and adjusting the margin space above it so that it sits nicely within the layout. The same applies to the product price. You can modify the size and line spacing to make it more prominent or subtle depending on your needs. These text styling options help emphasize important content like pricing, vendor information, or product names without overwhelming the layout. On the visual design side, you have the ability to set colors for different interactive elements. You can define the default color for tab titles, choose a different color for active tab titles, and set a hover border color to provide clear visual feedback when users interact with these elements. To tie everything together, you can also select a color for the main section heading and control the overall width of the content area. Lastly, you can define the thickness of the section border itself, giving you full control over spacing and visual containment of the section. Additionally, you may want to preview the section across different screen sizes using the responsive view mode. This ensures all your layout decisions, from padding to font scaling, translate smoothly across devices. Consistency in design not only enhances user experience but also strengthens your store's visual identity. Once satisfied, save your changes and publish to see the live update on your storefront. Telephone receiver need assistance? We are here to help. Got questions or need support? Reach out to us. Mobile phone call or WhatsApp 9035671333. Globe with Meridians, visit our website, click here. We are just a call or a click away.